Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear students, I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all to the O-level mathematics class. From the last couple of lectures, we are discussing about numbers and their types. In today's lecture, we will discuss how to represent a whole number on the number line. So our lecture is representation of whole number on the number line. So firstly, we know that number of the form 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, these numbers are called whole numbers. And next, what is the number line? A line that is used to represents number by points on a line is called number line. So number line is simply a line that is used to represent our numbers on its on number line on line sorry. For today's lecture, I am following a well respected and well renowned book written by Professor Peng Yee, and book title is New Syllabus Mathematics 1. For today lecture we will follow this book. In this book there is exercise 1a whose question number 3 that is stated as we have to draw the number line to represent the following number. We have to draw the number line to represent the following numbers, and the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. So our target is to draw these numbers on the write these number on the number line. So firstly we draw a line whose center is 0. This is 0. Now to draw these numbers, we mark a point or draw a dot on this line opposite to each number. For example, this is the center 0. Next, this is dot, first dot, which can be used to represent number 1. Second, here will be 2. But 2 is not our required number. Third number is 3. We again draw a dot here and write 3 here. Next one will be 4. Next will be 5. 6. And this is our required number, that is 5. 5 is here. So we draw a dot here opposite to 5. And again we draw a dot here opposite to 7. So to draw to represent a number on the number line, we only draw a point or mark a point on the number line opposite to each number. So this is very simple way. The next question, next our B part is 5, 7, 10 and 14. As the last number is 14, so each time it is not necessary that we represent every whole number on the number line, especially if the last number is very large. For example, if our last number is 1400, so it is not easy to mention every number up to 1400. So in this case we can mark off points with equal subintervals, equal length of subinterval. For example, we start with from 0 and write here 2. Then after with the length of 2 units, we mark here 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and the last one is 14. We can take here length of any suitable length, that is of length of 3 unit, 4 units, as you wish. Now our first whole number is 5. 5 is lies between 4 and 6. So this is 5. This dot represents 5. The next one is 7. 7 lies between 6 and 8. So here will be 7. Next one is 10. 10 is here, and the last one is 14. This is 14. We will discuss some more question here. In the C part. We have to represent whole numbers less than 6. We know that by we can list every whole number which is less than 6. We can list every whole number less than 6. Numbers which are less than 6 are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 6 numbers which are less than 6. So one of the way to represent all of these number is simple, because here number are only 6. So we can mark every number, such as, suppose this is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the whole numbers which are less than 6 are these, and 0 is also included here. The second way to represent, if the numbers are very large, there are many numbers that we have to represent on number lines. We mark some of them. For example, we mark only 5, 4, 3 here, and to represent the remaining number, we draw an arrow on these numbers, on these numbers, if there are many numbers to represent here. Like as in the next part, D, we have to draw natural numbers greater than or equal to 7. We have to draw all the natural numbers in the D part, natural numbers greater than or equal to 7. As we know that there are infinite many natural numbers which are greater than or equal to 7. For example, all the numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to so on. These are infinite many numbers, infinite many natural numbers which are greater than or equal to 7. So in this case, because the number are infinite, we draw or mark some of the some points on the number line that represent some of the natural numbers, and for the remaining natural numbers we draw an arrow on these numbers. We use dots to indicate few natural numbers which are greater than equal to 7, and the remaining numbers are represented by arrow. So I want to say this is here 7. Suppose here is 7. Here this is 0 and this is 7. There is no need to represent every number between 0 and 7. We can take start from 7 here. So our first point is 7. Second one will be 8. Third one will be 9, 10, 11 up to so on. So we draw an arrow on these numbers that represent, there are many numbers which are greater than or equal to 7 on the right side of the 7. And next we do one more part. We have to draw all the whole numbers which are greater than or equal to 3 but less than or equal to 9. we have to draw whole numbers greater than equal to 3 but less than 9. We know that the whole numbers which are greater than equal to 3 and less than 9 are simply 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 6 numbers that can easily mark on this line. This is suppose 0. You can take start from here 3. There is no need to write every number between here. If you easily can write all the numbers between 0 to 3, you can write. So our first number is 3, so draw a dot here. Our next number is 4, 5, 6, 7 and last number is 8. So this is the simple way to write to represent the whole numbers on the number line. Next we discuss an important question that is also related to number line. Question number 4. Here we have addition of two numbers that we have to display on the number line. Question number 4. The first part of the question that we have to solve, this is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. It is required to display each addition using the number line. This is our number line. O center is 0. Suppose here. We will begin from 2, 1 and 2. This is 2. The first step is you will write, we will begin from 2. This is our first step. Now we will move 6 units to the right from 2. We will move 6 units to the right side from 2. This is 1 unit, 2, 3, 4 with equal length, 5, 6. Next we will write, we move 6 units to the right of 2. Now we count how many units we end. This is 2, this will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last number is 8 here. We move 6 units to the right of 2 and end at 8. This shows that thus 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. These shows 6 units. We do a last question here that have the addition of 3 numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 16. Okay. For this question, we firstly solve this part, 3 plus 5. We will begin from 3 and we'll move 5 units to the right side in such a way. Suppose this is our number line whose center is 0 here. Whose center is 0 here. Because the number line is infinite on both sides, so this is not necessary that you will always mark 0 exactly at here. You can mark 0 at any point on the number line where you feel convenient. So we will begin from 3. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we will start from here, is at this point. So we will mark here. You will write the first step. We will begin from 3. Then we will move 5 unit to the right of 3. This is 1 unit for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count. Now where are you at this time? This is 4, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You end at the 8. Now again you will move 8 unit to the right of this point, this end. Now we extend this line. We extend this line. Now our starting point is 8 now. We extend this line more. From this starting point, we draw 8 units more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is our last point. These are the 5 units here between these 2 points, 3 and 8. Now from 8 to this point, these are the total 8 units. Again, because we have to solve 3 plus 5 plus 8, which is equal to 16. Firstly, we show this part 3 plus 5 in this diagram. Then again, after moving to the right 8 units, we will reach at this point. Now count the total dots here. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this is last point is 16. So first step will be, we will begin from 3. We move 5 units to the right of 3 and end at 8. Thus 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the first part of the expression. Next, again you will write, now we will begin from 8 and we move 8 unit to the right of 8 and we end at 16. Thus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 16. So this is the method to represent the whole numbers or the addition of all numbers on the number line. I hope today's lecture is helpful for you. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss another important topic. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.